Imagine promising a friend, "I will help you tomorrow." How do you express the future in Dutch? We use the auxiliary verb zullen. It works just like the English word will. Let's see how it works. Laten we beginnen. Let's start. First, let's look at the forms. For I, we use ik zal. Ik zal je helpen. I will help you. For you, we say jij zult. Jij zult snel leren. You will learn quickly. For he, she, or it, we use zal. Hij zal morgen komen. He will come tomorrow. Het zal morgen regenen. It will rain tomorrow. For plural forms, we use zullen. Wij zullen samen eten. We will eat together. Now, let's try a quick prompt. How would you say, "I will call"? Take a moment to think. Here is the answer. Ik zal bellen. I will call. Great job. Let's try another one. How would you say, "They will arrive"? Zij zullen aankomen. They will arrive. Notice the sentence structure in Dutch. Zullen comes in second position. The main action verb goes to the end. Let's practice this pattern together. Ik zal een boek lezen. I will read a book. Jij zult de auto wassen. You will wash the car. Wij zullen een taart maken. We will make a cake. Now, let's visit our error clinic. Mistake number 1. Conjugating the end verb. Beginners often say, ik zal leest. That is wrong because leest is conjugated. The verb at the end must be infinitive. The correct sentence is, ik zal lezen. I will read. Mistake number 2. Word order. Don't say, ik zal helpen jou. Always put the second verb at the end. Ik zal jou helpen. I will help you. Here is your memory anchor. Zullen, second, main verb at the end. Let's finish with a quick summary. Vandaag leerden we de toekomst. Today, we learned the future. Use zal or zullen plus infinitive. Excellent work!